So in this part, I am going to discuss one numerical based on the open circuit characteristic and short circuit characteristic, which has been explained in part one of the video. And there I have also discussed how to find the synchronous reactance, that is XS, and which was equal to EA by IA. And EA was nothing but it is the VOC terminal open circuit voltage. So that has already been explained. Now this is a one problem: 200 kilovolt ampere for 480 volt 50 hertz, a star connected synchronous generator with a rated field current of 5 ampere was tested. 500 is the rated field current that is given on the rotor. Field current is given on the rotor through the DC supply, and the following data were taken. VT terminal voltage open circuit test was measured to be 540 volt, and line current at short circuit terminal at rated field current was found to be 300. Means when 505 ampere of the field current is given, short circuit current at the armature terminal is found to be 300 ampere. Means ISC is 300 ampere. Now what happened when a DC voltage of 10 volt was applied to two of the terminals, a current of 25 ampere. Two terminals are there, so resistance will be 2 multiplied by RA, and which is equal to VDC by IDC. VDC is given 10 volt, IDC is given, and 25 ampere current is flowing. So from here we will find the value of the armature resistance. Now since this machine is having open circuit voltage 540 volt and it is a star connected, so we get its per phase value. VT open circuit voltage 540 divided by root 3, it will come 311.8 volt. So this much voltage we are getting at the using open circuit test. This is per phase voltage. Now current, line current SC short circuit is given as 300 ampere is given when short circuit test is conducted. If we draw its equivalent circuit, we will see that it is like this. Here our field current is going, and this is field resistance, which is variable. By varying this field resistance, we can vary the field current, and here voltage applied is the field voltage is applied here. Now this is our equivalent circuit. Here we have to find XS. So RA is 0.2 ohm already calculated, and XS we have to find out, that is synchronous reactance we have to calculate, and IA is the armature current flowing here. So in first case it is open, and in second case it is shorted. This is open circuit terminal voltage, which is found to be 311.8 volt, and when it is shorted, I am taking some other color for the purpose of shorting. When it is shorted, then current flowing, this is when it is shorted, then current flowing is 300 ampere. So we have to use all this thing to get the value. So now we can find this excess value, because armature current we have known armature current ISC, VOC is known. So we can find here, from here IA, we can write IA equal to VO terminal OC divided by root under RA square plus XS square. Here all values are given. This is ISC is given 300. This is given 300. So from here we can write 300 IA divided by this voltage is 311.8 equal to 1 by under root 0.2 square plus XS square. These all are in under root. So from this equation we can find the value of XS, which is coming as XS equal to 1.04. It is coming 1.04 ohm. So by direct by using this relation, we are getting this value of excess. So our excess value is calculated. If we calculate directly by using the open circuit and short circuit, as discussed in lecture 1, excess, that is equal to EA